If you've been trading Forex, indices, commodities, or global markets for a while, there's a very good chance you've come across the name ThinkMarkets. In this video, I want to give you a clear and simple breakdown of who ThinkMarkets is, what they offer, and how their different accounts work, including their ThinkTrader account, which is one of their standout features. ThinkMarkets is a well-established global CFD and Forex broker that provides access to a wide range of financial markets through both industry standard and proprietary trading platforms. Their focus is on giving traders strong execution, competitive pricing, and flexible account options that suit beginners, active traders, and more advanced market participants. One of the main reasons traders choose ThinkMarkets is the huge variety of tradable instruments available on the platform. Traders can access Forex pairs, commodities such as gold and oil, global indices, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, futures, and a very large selection of individual stock CFDs. This makes ThinkMarkets a strong option, whether you're focused on one specific market or prefer to diversify across multiple asset classes. When it comes to account types, ThinkMarkets offers three main ways to trade, depending on your platform preference and trading style. These include the Standard account, the ThinkZero account, and the ThinkTrader account. The Standard account is designed for most retail traders and is ideal for beginners or anyone looking for a simple, cost-effective trading setup. This account offers spreads starting from around 0.4 pips, with no commission on trades, and access to a wide range of instruments across Forex, indices, commodities, crypto, ETFs, and stocks. The Standard account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, giving traders a familiar and flexible trading environment. For traders who want tighter pricing and raw spread conditions, ThinkMarkets offers the ThinkZero account. This account is built for scalpers, day traders, and high-volume traders who rely on very tight spreads for precision entries. With the ThinkZero account, spreads start from 0.0 pips, and a commission is charged per trade, typically around $3.50 per side. This account usually requires a higher minimum deposit and is best suited to more experienced traders. One of the unique offerings from ThinkMarkets is the ThinkTrader account, which gives traders access to their proprietary ThinkTrader platform. This account is commission-free and designed to work seamlessly with ThinkTrader's advanced charting, built-in indicators, and intuitive interface. The ThinkTrader platform is available on web, desktop, and mobile, making it a popular choice for traders who want an all-in-one trading experience without relying solely on MetaTrader. Across all account types, ThinkMarkets supports powerful trading platforms, including MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and ThinkTrader, allowing traders to choose the environment that best fits their strategy. Execution is stable, the platforms are feature-rich, and switching between markets is smooth whether you're trading from a desktop or a mobile device. Overall, ThinkMarkets positions itself as a broker that combines strong technology, flexible account options, and access to a wide range of global markets. Whether you're starting out with a Standard account, trading raw spreads on ThinkZero, or using the ThinkTrader account for its advanced tools and clean interface, the platform gives traders multiple ways to approach the market. If you want a deeper breakdown of the ThinkTrader platform itself, or a comparison between ThinkTrader and MetaTrader accounts, let me know in the comments and I'll cover that in a separate video. And if this breakdown helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which broker you want reviewed next.